Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please reach out and subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the draining of assets. A lot of times people will say, well, we're not really divorced. We're just separated. We're thinking about it. So if we're just separated informally, we don't live together anymore. Nothing's pending before the court. We're thinking about it. It's a trial separation. What's going to be if my ex spends all our money? Well, the answer is you're going to have a problem because there's no court order that says that he or she can't spend that money. And if you hope to get some order later on that says, well, this was a trial separation, and it was in contemplation of divorce, so she shouldn't have spent the money, you may well run across a court that says, look, you want to file a separate maintenance action and get a status quo order preserving the money, you could have done that. This is, you call it a separation, but it's not under the auspices of the court. It's not governed by a court order. If he or she spent money, it's done. You file for divorce now, we'll look at the assets now and freeze them. But if you want to come and say, yeah, last year we had a trial separation, he spent $50,000 in Vegas, I want that money back, you're going to have a very hard time for two reasons. Number one, there's no court order that proscribes that activity. Number two, you can get every court order you want. If the money's not there, the money's not there. You can get an order that says he owes you money. Yeah, so maybe, he'll pay you back over the weeks or months, but it doesn't necessarily create money to put back in your pocket. So therefore, if you were really worried that in the context of a private separation, if you were really worried that somebody's going to spend down the marital estate so that there's nothing left to divide in a future divorce, then maybe you shouldn't do it that way. Then maybe you should do your separation by filing a complaint for what's called separate maintenance. And in conjunction with that claim, get a court order that says other than what's needed for regular, normal living, there is no spending. There's no big ticket items being bought or sold. There's no big investments being made or liquidated. You could make such an order that the court will sign in a separate maintenance action. And I suggest you do that because you are correct in assuming that if it's informal, you're running the risk. Somebody's going to spend down the estate. Somebody's going to rack up debt or diminish assets. Now, if you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.